In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which option to use, whether you have someone's code, want to send them a quick link, or need to search by profile name. First, open the Steam application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the window for your username. Click it to open your profile menu. From there, select Friends, then choose Add a Friend. This page is the hub for all the ways to connect with people on Steam, and it keeps everything organized in one place. If your friend has shared their Steam friend code with you, this is often the fastest route. It's an 8-digit code that uniquely identifies their account. Type or paste that code into the field you see on the Add a Friend page. Take a moment to double-check the digits to avoid typos. When you submit, Steam will pull up their profile and send the friend request. They'll need to accept it on their side before you appear on each other's friends lists. Another convenient option is the quick invite link. On the same Add a Friend page, you can generate a link that's tied to your account. Click to create it, then copy it. You can share this link through email, text, or any chat app you prefer. When the person opens the link, they'll see the prompt to add you on Steam. Once they accept, you'll be connected automatically. This is especially handy if you're adding several friends at once, since the same link can be reused until you choose to refresh it. If you don't have a code or a link, you can search by profile name. In the search box, type their exact Steam profile name. Because many users have similar names, scan the results carefully. Look for details like their avatar or other recognizable information to make sure you're selecting the right profile. When you find them, open their profile and click Add as Friend. As with the other methods, they'll get a request they need to approve. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.